Hello, I'm Nick Reyes, and I'm going to show you how to make a Skrillex bass type, like the one he uses in his native way, the remix of Lady Gaga Born This Way. Okay, first of all, open Massive right here, go to a new sound, in the first oscillator, leave it like this, put the pitch 2 octaves down, -24, leave it like this. On the oscillator page, go to the vibrato, and if you have massive 115 like me, you can do this if it hasn't already, and put yellow to 0. Next, put the depth into 3 o'clock and rate into, push it a little left. Then go to the voicing page. You make max 0 if it hasn't already. Monophonic, make it monophonic. Turn palm position on and move it to mono on the center, like this. Well, go to the first filter, filter 1, add the scream. Add envelope 1, modulate envelope 1 into cutoff and scream. Move the cutoff here and the scream down, and then drag it up all the way. Drag this something about here. Then go to the first environment. Make the decay 0, or no, make the decay something like this. Make the attack 0, and the level, push the other level up, and the release all the way up. Okay, let's hear how it sounds until now. Pretty nice, I think. Go on the second filter, add the band pass filter, the cutoff something like 9 o'clock, the bandwidth something like this, and put envelope 1 here and drag it like this, not all the way up. Put that up and bring that down also. Bring that up also, sorry. In the first effects, add the classic tube and leave the settings like this. The second one, add the dimension expander and leave it also like this. In the first insert, add the frequency shifter and leave it like this, and in the second, turn it on and add the parabolic shaper, and put the drive wet into 3 o'clock, and the drive, push it a little left. Then you go to routing. Here's the oscillator. You close this and everything is okay. Now it hears like this. But in the higher notes it sounds a little bad. This is the thing that Skrillex, I think, that he used. Okay, then if you want other tutorials, subscribe me, and I will bring you the best sounds and stuff for many other plugins and FL Studio. Okay, that's all. See ya.